Hello guys, you are welcome to Tech Plumber channel. Today I'm going to take you through how to create a bootable pen drive for your Windows operating system. You know, we have a lot of ways of making your pen drive a bootable drive in order for you to install Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10 or any other Windows operating system that you want. So sit down tight, let me take you through the process. First, you will need a pen drive that you will be using for your operating system, or a pen drive that you can copy your Windows files onto it. With me, I'm using a 32 GB flash drive, which is my drive G. It's here, as you can see, already plugged, 32 GB. So now, what do you need? You need your pen drive, and also you will need your Windows operating systems. If you don't have the operating system or the ISO file, you can just go online to Google. So this is my browser. I'm using Microsoft Edge at the moment. Just type google.com, then index of Windows 10, whether Pro or Home or whatever you want. You choose the first one. These are some of the distributions of Windows operating systems that are online at this particular website for you to download. So let me just click on any of the distributions. As you can see, my file has started downloading, but because I have the ISO image already, I will just cancel this download and move straight to showing you where my ISO file is. So this is my computer, and I have my ISO file here in my OS drive D, OS boot. I have other operating systems here available, but I will be using the Windows 10 x64. That's Windows 10 64-bit operating system. So I have my operating system available. I can copy it onto my desktop, or probably I can also keep it where it is and probably browse to where the files are. So how do you go with the command line, or how do we initiate your command line interface in order to make this particular pen drive of yours bootable? First, you click on the start, or you press on the Windows key. It will also open the start for you. You type CMD, that's the command prompt. CMD, that's the command prompt. Then you click on run as administrator. A prompt will come for you. Then you click on yes to continue. Yes, as you can see. Oh no. So this is my CMD prompt, or my command prompt. Now what do? You just type disk path, then you press enter. You are now in the disk path utility mode. What do you do again? You type list disk. Oh, okay, this thing hasn't loaded yet, so let's hold on. Okay, we are now currently in disk path utility mode. You type list space disk, enter. Now as you can see, the drives that I have in my system is showing. In this case, there is disk 0, which is 931 GB. That's my main disk drive. And the disk 1, that's 28 GB showing. It's actually 32 GB, but you will not be able to see all the 32 GB. So the disk 1 is actually my flash drive that I will be using for this bootable disk. So after this, you type select disk 1. Select disk 1. Enter. This part is now, disk 1 is now the selected drive. Then you click on clean. Disk part has succeeded in cleaning the disks. Then you type create partition primary. You click on enter. Disk part succeeded in creating the specific partition. Now you type select partition 1. You click on enter. Partition 1 is now the selected partition. After that, you click on you type active. Enter. Disk part marked the current partition as active. Now you type format space fs equals to ntfs quick. I want to initiate the format utility as quick as possible, and I'm using the ntfs file system. You can also decide to use format fs fat32 quick. That one too will work, but I want to use the ntfs. Enter. It will take some time before the drive is finally formatted. As you can see, it's on 0% completed. So let's just hold on and see. Okay, 100% completed. Disk part successfully formatted your drive. Now you type assign, then you hit enter. Now as you can see, my drive has opened. When we click on this PC, you can see my USB drive is now empty. The utility that we did, that's the formatting, the clean, active, and whatever, has succeeded in formatting the drive and making this particular USB drive a bootable drive. So now let's exit the command prompt. Exit again. That's it. Now we are done making our pen drive bootable. What we have to do next is to copy our Windows operating system, the ISO file. We have to copy the files onto this pen drive for it to be bootable. So wherever you have your operating system downloaded, I have mine in my drive D backup OS boot. This is my Windows 10. Because I'm using Windows 10 operating system, I just right click on it, open with Windows Explorer. These are the files. I will just copy all the files either by using Ctrl A, or I'll just use the mouse to drag everything in the Windows 10 ISO distribution. I'll right click and choose copy. I now come to this PC, open my flash drive, right click and paste. As you can see, Windows is now transferring all the files that I have in the Windows 10 ISO files that I downloaded onto the flash drive. After this, you can just plug your pen drive in any laptop or any desktop and run your Windows 10 installation. Thank you and see you in our next video.